do this.
And this way I could just kind of rehear you.
Okay, so achievements, these are just sort of placeholders. You've got locked ones, which required you to have fulfilled another achievement before they're available.
Okay.
You have your available ones, which are ones that you can earn.
These were based on the goals you set that you write down? Okay.
And then, obviously, you can have the earned ones.
Which means you've accomplished it.
Exactly.
Okay.
Challenges, we sort of discussed those. There's nothing in here right now.
Okay.
Same with store settings. Right now, there's just a reset button.
And that's what will shuffle the deck?
It'll completely reset your wall. So if you're like halfway through it and for whatever reason you need to reset it, you can. There's an option to do that.
Okay.
So this is what it looks like so far. They're really bad images, but they're placeholders.
Cool.
You have two different types of tools right now. So the hammer, sledgehammer. You can switch between them just by tapping it.
Okay.
You can zoom in and out. So zoom in, zoom out. You currently have a total of 6 uses with a hammer with the tool right now. I used it today, so.
Oh, it's counting like so 6 uses, and it'll track that for people that are using their wall?
So if you look there, it says 1 left for today.
Oh, okay.
That number down there. So you can. It takes 3 right now to break the wall, and for whatever reason, that's not clearing.
3 taps?
Yeah, I don't know why that's not clearing. Okay. There we go. So 3 taps to break a brick right now. So you can hit this rate button. It'll ask you how well you used it. So you can select the number. You can put in a comment.
It'll ask you what?
It says, how well did you use this word?
Okay.
So you put in a number and you can write a little comment on it.
Okay.
And you can select other words that you've already rated, so you can look at them already.
Okay.
So that's there's your timer
so when
tells you how long.
When you tap it with the brick or whatever in the future, it just the word appears. There's no explosion or any kind of thing.
Not
like that.
right now.
Okay.
That's I don't have the art stuff for that.
Okay.
But I can do that.
Okay.
Just not there right now.
Cool.
Timer tells you how long you have before you get more uses.
Okay.
And I was actually thinking it would be kind of cool. So like you have your hammer versus your sledgehammer. Maybe the different tools have different strengths. So say you start out with a hammer, it takes 3 times to break a brick, so you get 6 uses a day. 3 times to break a brick.
Okay.
So that's a power of 1. So maybe sledgehammer has a power of 2. 2 hits to break a brick. So that means you can break 3 bricks in a day instead of 2. And so you unlock the sledgehammer later on. So that sort of paces them as they start getting in the swing of things.
So at first it's going to keep it at a single brick.
Or 2.
Oh, 2. Okay.
2 a day. And then they'll slowly be able to, as they unlock stuff, they do it more, they'll be able to start breaking more a day.
Okay.
And that's just by unlocking.
Should we start with 1?
What do you think?
When I first started the whole program, I was doing singles initially. And then sometimes the word fit, sometimes it didn't. My experience after that has been when I do 3, something in that package is going to speak to you for today. And with me, who really gets what I want out of it, I can make 1 brick work. I've watched other people get 1 and they kind of like, and they don't play that day. So I don't know. I'm not attached, but I think something to sift through.
That's a good option. So I mean, we can do that. That's not a problem.
And so the extra power, meaning more bricks, comes from achievement.
So different tools have different power.
Got it.
So
you upgrade to the next tool based on accomplishing X, Y, and Z.
Exactly. So
I love
as you
it.
complete challenges and complete achievements, you get these points that you can spend in the store to unlock new tools and new content.
Okay.
So it sort of like helps control how fast they progress.
Okay.
While still giving them something to strive for. So sort of that game aspect in there that it's like, okay, I achieved this and now I get this stuff that I can buy and I can choose what I get.
Okay.
So, I mean, it's... That's more or less where it's at right now.
Okay.
So it doesn't seem like there's tons.
Hey, I get all the background.
There's so
you had to lay all that
stuff.
down. Correct.
Exactly. So
because what's cool about this is, so I just got my bid Friday, I think, for the new edition for the salon, which will end up being the white bricks, and instead of just words, it'll have some words, but it'll have to dos also, like in the industry, the salon industry. Sell $50 more in retail today than you did yesterday. Upsell $250 in services this week. Document your work through Instagram, blah, blah, blah. Different to-dos to keep them kind of just doing tasks. That helps build their business over time. And so I got for the textile one, I got the bid. Once you get, so I get the whole background. So that's just going to be plug and play eventually somewhat to this format, right?
Exactly.
Okay.
So it'll be very easy to expand and add more to.
Okay.
Right now it loads the list of words just from a file that I created.
Okay.
That's got all the words and quotes.
Anger wasn't one of my words.
No. You never sent me your list of words.
Oh, I sent them all to Kobe. He never sent them to you.
No.
Okay, I'll send them all to you.
I never got them. So
Okay. I have that. Is that my artwork? Or is that some bricks you found?
These Google.
Okay, so I have artwork that I've actually purchased. So I'll send you all that file this week then.
That would be perfect.
Cool.
Because then I can start using more.
Okay.
Like so, tools. These are just images I found online.
Okay.
So this is all placeholders.
Okay, cool.
But it would be very easy to switch them out.
Okay, cool.
But the nice thing is the way that it's all set up on the back end. We could actually, if say you set up a database on your website, this could actually call out and load all the words and all that from the website.
So my website's through Shopify.
Okay, so that might be more difficult.
Yeah.
You'd have to pay for an extra database or something like that.
Okay.
But that could be done.
Okay. Very cool.
Achievements, challenges, store settings, notifications, all that stuff's going to be added later. So this is where it's at right now.
Okay.
So obviously we need new images. Anything that you see that you want done differently.
Okay. Can you send me that? Is that a file? Is that in the cloud at all?
It's hosted off my computer, so technically you could pull it up on a web browser.
Do you have an IP?
Yeah, I have
Or
a
whatever.
web address I can give you.
Email me that.
Yeah.
That'd be cool. So then that I can load. Can I load that onto the phone?
Yeah, you can pull it up on the phone, on a computer, on
Okay.
a tablet. It'll all work.
Okay,
Should all
cool.
work about the same. It won't look as good on the web browser on the phone, but it'll be useful. Let me see.
Say more about that. It won't look as good from the web browser.
Because you have the bar up top.
Okay, got it. Versus the app format itself.
Exactly.
Roger that. Okay.
So this is, even the app though I'm pulling from my computer. Let me see. Let me see if I can pull this up here. So this is what it looks like in the web browser.
So all that's different is it has the top bar there.
Yeah.
Okay.
And it's so if you notice everything's a little smaller and
Okay. Yeah. 'cause
Being a little-
it's fitting the screen.
yeah, exactly. It's being a little finicky. But
Okay. But that way I could still show my roommate, or I could even show my brother, who's hey, go. My brother who does web design too. So
yeah.
he could
So
start
I
to
mean,
play
it's
with it.
it's got some work still to do. There's some little bugs with when it first initializes
Okay.
that I need to clean up, but
So what's a prediction on like next step, next
well, so
benchmark?
we've got to figure out. That's what we need to figure out now is the phase